box today with my jewelry from this new company that I had joined, Paparazzi Jewelry. Well, the jewelry is $5. I got my box here today and I'm excited to see actually what's in it. So I wanted to let everyone know as I open it up what I have. This box right here itself is the $99 box, which they have 35 pieces, but they do have other different sizes, the $2.99 box and the $4.99 boxes, with of course there's more pieces to it. So I'm gonna get ready to open up my box and show y'all what I have inside. Which I ain't gonna lie, I already opened up the box, but just wanted to show y'all. Okay, right here I have something that's in here. I'm going to open this up and see what's in here. Okay, I have my paparazzi planner. Okay, these are my hooks that goes on my pegboard, which you see in the back of me. And my pegboard is where I'm going to be hanging my jewelry. And then I have something in here. What is this? Oh, just a second. Okay, I have my Paparazzi Independent Consultant. It's a decal that can go on my vehicle or on my vehicle in the window. I have my checklist, what I'm supposed to do like when I first open up my box and get started. Okay, and what are these? Receipt book. They give you a receipt book. Another checklist before you have a party, you know, the things that you need to do before you do your first party. Free jewelry thing, like this is like if you buy so many pieces you get the 13th one free. You buy 12 pieces of jewelry, you get the 13th one free. Wow, they give you a lot of stuff. This explains our compensation plan, some little pamphlets that explain our compensation plan. This is the application to become a consultant. If you want to become a consultant. I have a jewelry stand to put my necklace on. Wow. I have thank you cards, party invitations, and they also give you a kit to fix the jewelry. So if the jewelry breaks, then I can fix the jewelry for you. I have my own kit. And party bags, so I can put your jewelry bags, your jewelry in there and stuff, so you can take it along with you. Well, now where's the jewelry? Okay. I have bracelets, rings, different necklaces that we have. More bracelets. My box came with 35 pieces of jewelry. Well, actually I got 5 extra, so I have 40 pieces of jewelry. I have more necklaces. Wow. Another bracelet. Earrings. All of this. And what is this? This is some stylist tips and stuff that they give you. And if I take 25% off your first order of marketing materials. Okay, and that's it. Whoa, that's a lot. I'm excited. I'm excited about getting started. Like I say, Paparazzi, the jewelry is $5. And all of the jewelry, all of the necklaces come with earrings. If it's something that you think you might want to look into becoming a consultant, you can reach out to me at paparazziaccessories.com/131316. And my name is Monica Hill. Tonight I'm going to be coming back doing my first live to show y'all some of this jewelry that I got. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.